Intero, if you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, you might want to pay attention to this. Samsung has started rolling out One UI 8.5 Beta 4, a major update designed to improve security, speed, and everyday usability. And according to early reports, this update could reach millions of Galaxy devices worldwide. But what exactly is new? Let's start with the biggest changes. 1. Improved privacy controls. One of the biggest highlights of One UI 8.5 Beta 4 is improved privacy protection. Samsung is introducing more advanced permission controls, allowing users to see exactly which apps are accessing things like camera, microphone, location files, and storages. Means you can now monitor and control your data more easily, preventing apps from collecting information in the background. And in today's digital world, privacy is becoming one of the most important smartphone features. 2. Faster performance. Another major improvement in this update is performance optimization. Samsung has refined the system to make Galaxy phones launch apps faster, switch between apps smoother, reduce background lag. For users with older Galaxy devices, this could make their phones feel almost brand new again. Many beta testers say the update makes the system more responsive and stable than earlier versions. 3. Better battery management. Battery life is always a big concern for smartphone users. With One UI 8.5 Beta 4, Samsung is improving smart battery optimization. The system now learns your usage habits and automatically reduces power consumption for apps you rarely use. This could mean longer battery life, less background drain, better overall efficiency. So if your phone usually struggles to last the whole day, this update might help fix that. 4. Small but useful design changes. Samsung also made some subtle interface improvements. These include smoother animations, improved notification layout, more customization options. While these changes may seem small, they make the overall experience feel cleaner and more modern. The bigger PC theory, but here's something interesting. Samsung continues to push updates that focus heavily on user control and customization. And that's where the competition between Samsung and Apple becomes really interesting. Because while Samsung focuses on flexibility, Apple focuses on simplicity and ecosystem control. Which raises an important question. Are Android phones slowly closing the gap when it comes to privacy and security? Engagement SATTT. Now I want to hear from you. If you use a Samsung Galaxy phone, have you received the One UI 8.5 Beta update yet? And if you're an iPhone user, do you think Apple still leads when it comes to security and privacy? Drop your answer in the comments. Team Samsung, Team iPhone, let's see which side wins. OUTRO, if you enjoy content about smartphone updates, tech news, and honest comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Because the next big smartphone update might bring even bigger changes. And when it happens, you'll hear it here first.